Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. Today I will show you a new way to make affiliate commissions from ClickBank that I found recently. So the method does not involve any website, so you don't have to own a website for this method to work. You have to get only a Reddit account and a ClickBank account to get the affiliate links. So let me show how this works. The first thing you should search for products. So go to Marketplace in ClickBank and search for products to promote. I recommend to search for Give It Away and make the search, and there will be the results. So let's check the highest value giveaway. So all these are giveaways that are free to get. The client will pay only for the shipping. So if we click on this, for example, open it in a new tab, we'll see that it is a credit card knife which is valued at $17.95. Also, another great thing to check here is survival kit. Survival grenade, this is valued at $24.95. So this is a greater value for the customer. So let's say I want to promote this survival kit. Click on promote and get this URL. Copy it, and now we should go into a URL shortener. I use the Cutly, for example, this, and shorten the URL. And here it is. This is the shortened URL for our affiliate link. If we check it, it should redirect directly here. Okay, so this works. Now we should go to Reddit and search for subreddits that offer giveaways, offer free products, or offer or are in the niche segment of what we are giving away. So for example, if we are giving away the survival kit, the survival grenade, we can go into the survival section of the Reddit and in the survival subreddit, and we can promote this as a giveaway, for example. However, we must note that Reddit traffic is an intelligent traffic. There are not stupid people there, to be honest, and we all know this. So our affiliate links should be hidden in a good way. So link shortener must be used, and the text with which we promote the affiliate links should not be a direct sales pitch. So don't say check this promotion, or don't say do you want to get a free knife, or do you want to get a free survival kit. No, you must say something that for example, that describes your experience with the product. And so you should think about how to best do this, and you should do also experiments on Reddit, because Reddit is an intelligent source of traffic, and also it is a convertible source of traffic. Okay, so this is my way to get affiliate links and affiliate commissions from ClickBank and Reddit, using Reddit. Also, you can use, if you have a following or email list, you can also send this to them as a giveaway. Also, you have to specify that they need to pay for the shipping, because the product is free but the shipping is not. So the client must pay $6.95 only for the shipping if they are inside the US, and $9.95 if they're international customers. Okay, so this is all for this video. Give this method a try. You can generate your ClickBank affiliate links from the giveaway section, as I showed you here. So you can select any product that you wish. There are also many other pages here. So you can create your affiliate commissions and check which matches best for your niche in which you are in, and select the product to promote, and you will get an average commission from the upsells for this product. Well, yeah, this is all for now. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.